Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to convert pounds to ounces. Now remember, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Let's jump into our examples, starting with number 1, where we have 3 pounds equals how many ounces? Now each of those pounds equals 16 ounces. So we have 16 ounces, 16 ounces, and 16 ounces. In other words, 3 times 16. When we go from pounds to ounces, we multiply by 16. Again, because 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 3 times 16 gives us 48. So 3 pounds equals 48 ounces. Let's move on to number 2, where we have 8 pounds equals how many ounces? So we have 16 ounces, 16 ounces, 16 ounces, 8 times. So we need to do 8 times 16. 8 times 16 gives us 128. So 8 pounds equals 128 ounces. So there you have it. There's how to convert pounds to ounces. Just remember, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So we multiply by 16 when converting pounds to ounces. And whenever we convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. So something to keep in mind. If you need more conversion videos, check the description. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.